Hello everyone. So if you want to set up a face unlock on your Vivo X80 Pro, open up your settings. Now we're gonna scroll down to our security tab. In our security tab, you are to choose device. In device security tab, choose your face. Now we gotta choose a face plus pattern, face plus pin, face plus complex password. I use face plus pin. Now we are to create our pin if you don't have one yet, right? All right. Now we are to choose how do you want our lock screen to display. So show all notification contact or don't show notifications at all. I will just stay on show all notification contact, press done. And now we are to complete our face enrollment. So follow the on-screen instructions right here and I will get back to you after I will do that. Now, as we completed our face enrollment, that was really fast and easy, simply press OK. And now let's try to unlock our phone with our face. So as you see, I just successfully unlocked it. Easy as that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.